Good morning, class. My name is Daniel Atkura, and I'm going to be taking you through business statistics. We are going to begin by defining the term statistics. Statistics is the art and science of collecting, organizing, representing, analyzing, and interpreting data to assist in making more effective decisions. We have specifically two branches of statistics. Whereby we have descriptive and you also have inductive statistics. So I'm going to request you to go and research on the characteristics of statistics. Then you also research on the functions of statistics. And finally, you research on the limitations of statistics. So let's go to the introduction part, whereby we shall talk about population, we talk about sample, we talk about parameters, variables, and then the different common symbols that we use in statistics. So population refers to all objects or subjects possessing some common specified characteristics. For example, if we talk about fruits, under fruits we have mangoes, we have avocados, we have lemons, oranges, and others. So we can call this on a population of fruits. Then we can also talk about scholastic materials. Whereby you have pens, pencils, notebooks, and others. You can also call it on a population of scholastic materials. Then we go to sample. A sample is a small group of subjects or objects selected from a large group or population. For example, if you want to interview, let me say, 100 learners from a given class, but you don't have enough time to interview all of them, you can decide to choose a small group, let me say, of 10 learners, okay, and interview this group instead of there are 100 learners. So this group of 10 learners, we refer to it as the sample. Then the third part is parameters. A parameter is a measurable characteristic of a given population. Then let's go to the common symbols that we use in the statistics. Common symbol that we use in statistics. We have the first one we have is the observable variable, which normally denoted as capital. Then the other one we have is sum or summation, which normally denoted as sigma. Then we also have mean, which normally denoted as mu, or you can use capital X and then you put a bar on top of capital X. Then we also have variance, which normally denoted as little sigma, is little sigma squared, or you can write it as small s squared. Then we also have standard deviation. Standard deviation, which we denote as sigma or capital S or S. So we shall start from the next step, whereby we shall be looking for the mean. If they give us different values, and then we also look for the mean, the standard deviation,